Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix all network and internet issues, connection errors in Windows 10. So the first step is we have to go to our control panel, watch video till end. They are very important steps. So we'll have to go to internet connection. In here we have to go to adapter settings. In here we have to go to Wi-Fi and properties. In here we have to go to Internet Protocol version 4. So now we have to use the following DNS address. In the primary address we have to type 8.8.88. In here we have to type 8.8.4 and 4. So after that we have to click on validate settings upon exit and OK, close, and so the first step has been done. So the second step is to go to device manager. So here you have to type device manager, and here you have to go to network adapters, and here you have to click on the first network adapter, which is 48D SSL. You have to click on build driver, browse my computer for drivers, and click on next, and that will bring the list of available driver on the PC. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So after that you have to update all the drivers in here one by one, like this, which I am typing next. So this is how you will update all your drivers. These are the drivers. So now the third step is we have to go to our command prompt, and you have to click on run as administrator. So here you have to give him some commands. So I have some commands in here. I will give the command in the comment section in the description of the video. So the first command is ipconfig/flushdns. So now the third command is netsh reset.log. So the third command ipconfig reset.log. So now the first step is to go to the settings and click on more settings. And you have to click on network and internet. So just scroll down here, you have to click on network set. So here this will remove and then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall or networking software afterwards, such as VPN clients or resources. This is the method to reset your network. If the 4 steps which I tell you not work, so please do this step. This will work. So this was the 5th step to fix all the network issues in your Windows 10 PC. So these were the 5 steps which you can use to fix the network problems, connection problems in your Windows 10 PC. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We will see you next video. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye.